All right, we are live. So it says we're live. I know it's an unplanned live, but you know what? It's Sunday, it's raining, and just kind of hanging out here. What's wrong? What is that, a video?
Hey, a movie.
Oh, a movie.
Just a minute,
So we're here live. Hello, Iggy. Good morning. Oh, it's morning here. Hello, I don't even know how to pronounce that. Grammy. Hi from sunny California. You know what, Iggy? Hello from rainy Philippines right now. I guess there's some type of tropical storm or something like that, and it's supposed to rain all week. It's not actually coming through from what I was seeing through the Philippines, but it's enough to where it's drawing a bunch of moisture, and it's just going to be rainy like this. I mean, rainy season started Friday, right? Look, Friday, yeah, it started Friday, so this is to be expected. Hello, Christopher. Hello, Wally. Magandang umaga. Have I missed anything? Nope, you've missed nothing. I just started the live stream. Like I said, we're just bored. Sitting around here, it's raining. Let's watching our sad movies again. Karsten, hello from the Batangas. Hello. Rosiendi Rahamad. I guess that's how you say it. Hello. Hola, man. Hello. Good morning. Good morning to you. I'm from Atlanta, Georgia. Just wanted to say me and my husband watch almost all your posts and hopefully meet up with you someday. Thank you, Michelle. Thanks for watching the channel. And like I tell people, if you ever come up this way, you're more than likely to just stop by the store, say hello, and we've had quite a few subscribers just stop by, and like I tell them, just let us know a day or so before you stop, so we know we're going to be here. But yeah, I mean, matter of fact, one guy, he's a subscriber, and I always run into him at McDonald's. I just ran into him this morning. But yeah, I mean, and anybody's welcome to stop by anytime. Guess net is acting up. Is it not? Is it my end? Is my end not giving out a good stream? I got a red line, which means my stream health is not that good. Plus it's Sunday, so everybody and their brother is online, Facebooking and everything like that. Hello from Wisconsin. Hello, James. Gun term 2009. Yeah, you know what I say, like a lot of times, we usually schedule it 9 in the morning on Wednesdays, but just to pop on here and there, because there are a lot of people that watch all over the world and different times and different time zones and stuff, so not everybody can catch the live stream, so that's why I said let's just pop on and see pop on and see what happens. You know what, Iggy? I've eaten frog legs back in the States. I mean, we used to go out frog gigging and catch frogs and eat frog legs and stuff. So I've tasted it before. Now, Lut hasn't tasted it. You've never tasted it, right, Lut?
No.
Yeah, Lut's never tasted it. Matter of fact, we went to one restaurant here on Clark that served Kapangan, I guess that's how you pronounce it, Kapapangan type food, and they had frog legs, on the menu, but once again, out of stock. So she was actually going to try it. They were out of stock, so she never tried it. What else did they have? They had some kind of beetles, but anything that was exotic that was on the menu, out of stock. But yeah, I mean, frog legs, I don't know, it tastes like chicken.
It's hard to catch through prop.
Do you have videos on how to go through process paperwork for expats who want to live there? I haven't done any videos. I know there are quite a few videos out there on YouTube. You know, other guys have explained how, you know, the process works. I guess it all depends on what you want to do when you come to stay here. What kind of visa? Tourist visa, 13A visa, SRV, special residence visa. Depends on what kind of visa you want to do. Hello from Gettysburg, PA. You know what? Gettysburg, PA. I've been there many times. I used to go down there when I was in like ghost hunting and stuff. I used to go down there and do ghost hunting down there. Yeah, I like Gettysburg. Stream is offline. Stream is back online. Hit or miss today, guys. Update on the video and the housing you mentioned. Are you waiting to hear from the people in the mall to contact you? You know what, Brian? I am still waiting for them to contact me. I got their numbers. What I'm going to do is I'm going to start sending them an email to try to get in there to check out some of these homes. You know, it's funny. You know, people say, yeah, everything's good, and then they never call you. So, you know what? I go to the mall at least once a week, so I'll definitely be bugging them when I get down there. Did it stop raining? No, it did not stop raining. Yeah, I know, Graham. The connection's just not that good right now. You know, it's a combination of everything. The weather, the fact that it's Sunday, everybody's either home or wherever, and everybody's online. Everybody's Facebooking, everybody's, you know, online, and that's what's killing it. Because I do have a red line. Michelle, your husband's citizen, husband's American. You know what? To retire here, I mean, you guys are married, so hang on. You guys are married, so when you come in, get the Balik Bayan stamp when you visit. That's good for a year, and he doesn't have to extend his visas or anything. Register your marriage with the Philippine consulate if you haven't done that already. What else? A 13A visa. Get the 13A visa, and he becomes a permanent resident here. Do I do my own taxes? Yes, I do my own taxes. I do TurboTax. My taxes are super simple. This year was the simplest tax return I ever did. Super easy. Like I said, I TurboTax. I do it online. How long have I been staying in the Philippines? We came here August of 2016.
23?
2023.
No, 2000.
August 2016.
16?
August 23rd of 2016 is when we officially moved here. But I've been coming here since 2012. What internet do we have? We have Converge, or as I like to call it, Clownverge.
Ew.
What? Ew, what?
Your internet is very low.
Oh yeah, it's red. Very red. So all we need is the Balik Bayan visa. when you first come into the Philippines, when you get into the airport, both of you go through the immigration together, have your marriage certificate with you and everything, and 9 times out of 10, they'll just stamp you with the balikbayan visa, and that's what he needs, and he can stay here for a year without renewing his visa. Doesn't cost him anything to renew his visa, unlike if you're here on a visitor's visa. Every, what is it, 2 months you got to extend, or 6 months now they let you extend. But that's what I did. When we came in, I got the balikbayan stamp, and then within that year I applied for the 13A visa, which is a permanent resident visa, and that's the route I went. Looking at getting a dual citizen for yourself and a permanent visa for your husband. Looking to get a dual citizen for yourself. Yeah, like Iggy says, you know, you can do it that way also. PLDT fiber. PLDT fiber. Fiber. Alright, it's all you.
Mine, again. Mine.
Good luck. Everything
But
is spinning.
is spinning. It's,
Yeah.
Ano yon?
It'll reach that job.
Ha? Anim na chipi. Baka mo ng chipi. Daan mo doon. Hello! Hello! What's up? Para akong ano.
That's terrible internet.
Yeah, it is.
Kicks in and out. I'll just let it spin. It'll eventually catch up.
You allowed to deduct if your spouse and child. I have VLDT fiber. See Morgan Williams. I think VLDT is, some say good, some say bad. I'm not sure. They said in Manila it's very good. James Goley. Yeah, our internet is not good. We keep spinning and spinning. And now I see my pimples too big. Ano na naman? Kanina ka pa. My wife and I are naturalized U.S. citizen. We will process a dual citizen when we're ready to retire back home in Olongapo. Well, Iggy, I heard something that it's good to process over there than over here in Philippines. Yeah, you can do it dual citizen. That's a good thing.
Some people say it's simpler to do it in the States.
Some people say it's simpler to do it in the United States than do it in the Philippines because it's less headache, it's less like problems. Haluman, what states did you used to live, if you don't mind asking? Also, I know you served, so thank for your service. We live in Boyertown, Pennsylvania. Oh, tama. Yeah. Michelle, I am a dual citizen guest. We need to do that for my husband. Thank you. Yeah, just do it over in United States. It's more simpler. James Colley, what should I bring to the Philippines for my soon-to-be in-laws? Well, I guess it depends. What did he like then? You're cat lover like my wife, and I we have 4 cats and 2 dogs. Yeah, I'm a animal lover. Philippine Sins, Opo, we are in Metro Manila. Is it flood over in Metro Manila? Oh. Oh, thank you, Mr. James. Your daughter is so beautiful. Yeah, I think Pel did is good in Manila. A lot of my friends say that too. Henry Colston. I'm half Filipino. I used to live in New York, New Balibago. Where's New Balibago? I know Balibago, but I don't know where's New Balibago. It's in United States. Randall R. Buffering. Yeah, our internet is not really good. Not good today. Max Flow Engine. Why didn't Brian bring home some frogs home for an eating challenge? Actually, I don't know how to clean the frog. So I'm not gonna eat it with skin. Are you showing up? Ano daw? Yeah, he brought his sunglasses in SM. I'm not sure if they're still out there. David Tumas, aloha from Hawaii. Hello, Hawaii. Thank you, Mr. David. Henry Colston? How's BE Hospital in Manila? I can't answer that. I think Brian knows about it.
What?
How's BE Hospital in Manila?
BE Hospital?
Yeah. Oh, he said he never been there.
What hospital?
BE Hospital in May. Williams E. Pittman. Hello. Hello, Mr. William. James Cole. My fiancé is in South Cole Kebab. James Cole? Where is South? Ano na naman? Ah, hindi yan. Uy, ikaw na nga dito? Ay, akin yan eh. Ako na. Huwag ka na kailang si Churia.
You guys, I think I'm just gonna kill this feed. It's just a terrible connection, terrible speed right now. But anyways, we gave it a try, so thanks for those